Welcome to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. In this video, I will take you through the steps of how to delete an IAM user or temporarily revoke access of an IAM user to all the resources in the tenancy via the OCI Console. To know more about basics of working with IAM user, groups and policies, check out our public documentations provided in description section of this video. If an IAM user is no longer part of the organization or is no longer required in the tenancy, it can be deleted. However, if you want to keep the IAM user but want to ensure that it does not have access to any resources within the tenancy, you may simply remove its membership from all the groups. This can be considered as a workaround for disabling IAM user, since there is no direct option to disable an IAM user unlike in IDCS and in newly created tenancies which comes with IAM domains. For more information on IDCS and IAM domains, please refer to our public documentations provided in description section of this video. Please note that the user will still be able to sign into the tenancy but will not be able to view, create or edit any resources within the tenancy. To demonstrate this, I have created a demo user and named it as YouTube. I have added the user to group named YouTube group and assigned a policy for the users in this group to manage all resources in compartment sart mesh. To know more about working with IAM user, groups and policies, check out our public documentations provided in the description section. Before we proceed further, I will sign into OCI Console as user YouTube so that I can show you the user is currently capable of managing all resources in compartment sart mesh. As you can see, I am able to view instances, instance configurations, etc. under compute in compartment sart mesh. Now that we have verified, let us proceed with revoking access of this IAM user to resources within tenancy by removing membership from all the groups it is associated with. Sign in to the OCI console as administrator user. As you can see, the user is added to the administrator group and has access to manage all the resources throughout tenancy. To remove YouTube user membership from all the groups, from the console, navigate to Identity. Click on Users. Select User YouTube and in the user detail page, scroll down to the bottom to verify which groups the user is part of. Here we can see user YouTube is part of only one group, that is YouTube group. Go to Identity, Groups, and then YouTube groups. In the group details page, under group members, you will be able to see user YouTube added. Click on the three dots and select remove member from group. Once the user is removed successfully, sign out and sign in as the user YouTube and try creating or accessing an instance or any other resources in the compartment sart mesh within tenancy. You will see that you will either not be able to list the compartment or you will receive an error that says you do not have permissions to view these resources in this compartment. Try another compartment or contact your administrator for help. This shows that we were successfully able to revoke all the permissions that were assigned to this user. The user will no longer be able to access any resources within the tenancy. Alternatively, you can delete the IAM user if it is no longer required in your tenancy or if you want permanent removal from the tenancy. To delete an IAM user, sign in to the OCI console as administrator user. From the console, click the hamburger menu, click Identity and Security. Now click on Users, select User YouTube and in the user detail page, under More Actions, select Delete. This will permanently delete the user and user can no longer sign in the tenancy. The following error is received once the user is deleted. Thank you for watching.